Hey, what's up guys? I'm Sayantan. Anything related to mathematics? Let's math magic. So what's up guys? How are you? And today in this video we're gonna discuss about the middle term factorization in depth, in details. See, actually the factorization what I'm gonna discuss today, this factorization is actually basically in that syllabus of as well as in CBSE as well as in ICSE. It belongs to the class 9 based curriculum in the mathematics syllabus. Okay, but as you know that this middle term factorization will gonna help you a lot more in the class 10, 11, 12. As you grow up in the next classes after classes, it will gonna help you a lot. So please be attentive during the class. It will gonna help you a lot more. So let's get started. See, I have started this channel because only of my viewers to help you in certain of any sort of topic on mathematics. Okay, so why don't you ask me anything? If you are watching this video now, then if you have any doubts in my class, then please ask me. Feel comfortable to ask me if you have any doubt in any steps. Okay, I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, and also in the YouTube. Also, please comment down below if you have any doubt. Please follow my channel, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to press that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video on math. If you have done already, then let's jump into sums. In this class, we'll learn how to do the middle term factorization by step. Okay, so we have a sum here. The sum is here x square plus 7x minus 18. Now we will learn this step wise. So in the first step, you have to do a cross c. Now what is a, what is c here? Now check. All the middle term factorization will be in a quadratic format. Quadratic format means this is actually a polynomial and the degree of this polynomial is 2. So when a polynomial is of a degree 2, it is called a quadratic polynomial. Now, so in every sums there will be a quadratic polynomial. So this is actually the general form of a quadratic expression or polynomial, you can say. Now a means actually the coefficient of x square, b means the coefficient of x, and c means the constant term here. So here a equals to what? 1. You can clearly see that there is the coefficient of x square here is 1. So here a equals to will be 1, and b equals to here plus 7, and c equals to here minus 18. So at first what is the step, that is multiply a and c. Now just remember here one thing, you not need to see the sign of a and c, just multiply the digits, only the digits you will multiply. So now we will multiply only 1 to 18. So what we got? 1 cross 18, we got 18. I think up to this no problem. Then the next step, what is that? Factorize AC. After product multiplying a and c, we got 18. So now we will factorize AC. That means factorize 18. So if we factorize 18, we'll get 2 9s are 18, 3 3. That means 18 is equals to 2 cross 3 cross 3. Up to this no problem. Then the third step, check the sign of c. So here now you check the sign of c. So c is here 18. What is the sign? Minus. Now then step 4, arrange the middle term accordingly. Now see, I'm not clarified here. I'll explain that. See here that c term, that is the constant term containing the minus sign, and we got factorized 18, that is 1 2 and 2 3. Now what you have to do in the next, actually after checking the sign of c, that is here it's a minus. So you have to rearrange the middle term. Middle term means not just forget about this x. Only just see the term only. Only the term is what? 7. Also don't see the signs also. Only see the term. What is the term? Term is 7. Now according to the sign of c, we have to rearrange that. That means if c containing a minus sign, we have to rearrange that middle term by subtracting something. Something means what? We got that factorized things. Now from that factorized thing we have to make two number, then subtracting that two number will make 7. Now just it is clearly visible. Everyone please see that it is 2 and 2 3 will got 9. So I can write from here 1 2 I took, and from this 2 I took on 9. So just check, if I just subtract 2 from this 9 we'll got 7. So in the next step what we will do? In the next step we'll do x square will be there. Only in the place of 7 what we will write? We'll write 9 minus 2, and everything will be exactly same. That means minus 18 will be exactly same thing. Okay, no problem. Then you just open this bracket and multiply. That means you just open the bracket x square. That means plus 9x will be there, minus 2x, minus 18. No doubt. Then you just take common from the first two and from the second two. That means from the first two what is common? Just check x is common. So if I took x as common, then it will be remaining x plus 9. And from the last two, minus 2 is common. It is clearly visible, I think, everybody. So x plus 9 will be remaining. So now just check our current line. This is our current line in our problem. Now see, x plus 9 is common from first element and from the second element. So we take x plus 9 as common. Then what will be remaining? From the first expression x will be remaining, and from the second expression minus 2 is remaining. So just check, this is our answer and it is totally factorized. That means x square plus 7x minus 18 is equals to now x plus 9 multiplied with x minus 2. Now it is totally factorized. So step by step we learn that. Now we will do some another problems with the same process, same step by step method. So now this is our next sum. What is that? 7x square plus 49x plus 84. So now according to the, just similarly we will do that things. That means at first step we will do the product of multiply a and c without the sign. Okay, so we will multiply 7 and 84. Then what to do? Now check, I will now go to the advanced steps. Now after multiplying, you don't need to multiply that two things, because we, as you know that in the second step you have to again factorize. So that will not multiply, will actually only in the multiplied form will leave that. That means 7 cross with the 84. Now just check the third step, that we have to factorize. We will factorize that. Now in the third step, check the sign of c. So the sign of c here is positive. So here the middle term, what I said, only see the digit. Only see the digit, not the sign, neither the x. Okay, only see the digit. What is the digit here? 49. Then what is the sign of c? Plus. That means we have to arrange 49 with adding any of that two number that we have to make from this product. That means after factorizing. Now just see, I'm doing the one step. 84 means what? I can write that now. 4 cross 4 means it will be 2, it will be 1. 21. 4 cross 21, it will be 84. So now just check, everyone, please just check. 7 into 4, how much? 28. And it is how much? 21. Now everybody please check. 28 added with 21, it will be 49. So we are done. Now what we will do now? Just every term will be same. Every plus, every x, everything will be same. Just in the place of 49, what we will write? This 28 added with 21. So 24 plus 21. Then it is very easy. Just see in this middle term factorization, the only part is that after producting these two terms, that means a cross with c, you just, when you just got that two number, that you have arranged that one, after that it's nothing. The sum is very easy then. Then what you have to do? Just product this, that means it will be 28x plus 21x plus 84. No doubt, I just multiply, I just open the bracket. So 7x is common, very easy. So remaining will be x because it was x square. And from this it will be a plus 4 only, and from the next two things it will be 21 will be common, and the remaining will be x plus 4 again. So from the first term and from the second term, what is common? X plus 4 is common. So what will be remaining? 7x plus 21. So it is fully done according to you. So now just check, anything is common again, then you have to factorize again. See, they told us to factorize this quadrant. So until it is factorized at the last end, then until that you have to factorize again and again. Now just check, from x plus 4 nothing is common, but from this term 7x plus 21, you know that 21 is, that means actually 3 into 7. So 7 is higher in that 21 actually. So you can take 7 common from that part only. So that I am writing that 7 here, and x plus will be 4 will x plus 4 will remain same. And from this part, if I take 7 common, then what will be remaining? From the first term x will be remaining, and from the second term will be remaining a plus 3. So in the last, what you got from this quadratic polynomial, we got, after factorizing, we got 7 into x plus 4 multiplied with x plus 3. I hope everybody understood. So in our list, the next sum is this: 1/3 x square minus 2x minus 9. Now the same step will follow and we'll do the sum. Very easy steps. First step, what was that? Multiply a and c with no, you will not check the sign at all. Okay, so a is here 1/3, c is here 9. So after multiplying 1/3 into 9, after cancelling you got 3. Now if you factorize this 3, you know that 3 is a prime number. So if you want to factorize, then it will be actually 3 equals to, you can write 3 cross 1. Now see, in the next step we have factorized already. So the third step, check the sign of c. So what is the sign of c here? It is minus. So we have to arrange the middle term. That means only 2. Don't check the sign, and neither x not the sign. So we have to arrange 2 by subtraction. It is very clear. See the after factorize what we got? 3 and 1. Very easy. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So 1/3 x square, minus will be there, x will be there, minus 9 will be also there. Just only the place of that 2, what will be there? 3 minus 1. Because we know that the constant term is containing the minus sign. That means we are doing the subtraction here. So 3 minus 1. Up to this you got, then it is nothing. 1/3 of x square minus 3x plus x. I'm just multiplying. Just check here the minus there, and there is the x. That means actually with that two terms minus x, I'm actually multiplying. So minus x product with 3 minus 6, but minus x product with minus 1 again, it will be a plus x, and again there was a minus 9. So I'm taking from this two term, I'm taking one x will be there, and I'm taking x by 3 as common. So what will be remaining? 1/3 I took already, and there was 2x, no? X square means actually product of the 2x. So I take 1x, then 1x will be remaining, and from this one no x will be remaining because there was 1x and I took 1. And see, I took 1/3. So I have to multiply 1/3 here. And from these two, nothing is common. So I'm taking only 1 as common. Okay. So just check. 3 cross 3 means actually 9. So that means it is also x minus 9. So I'm taking x minus 9 as common. Just like the previous sums just we did. So what will be remaining from this term? X by 3. What will be remaining from that term? Only this plus 1. So it is done. But in some books they can do that steps also. Okay. For that case you just LCM that 2. That means 3 will be the LCM, x plus 3 will be there, and then in the next step you just write this 3 actually in the denominator, no? So you just write this 3 like that 1/3 and then the 2 factors. In some books they can be write the answer in that pattern. So what you got? This was a sum 1/3 x square minus 2x minus 9. We got after factorizing, we got 1/3 x minus 9 product with x plus 3. So I think that everybody understood everything.